Hey, this is Jonathan with Elevate Roofing and Exteriors, your roofing expert. Too cold to roof. We are in the January, February, March winter season right now. And this is very important. If you're going to have a roof installed on your home, it's very important that you do not let any contractor install a roof when it's below 40 degrees. So why? Because the shingles will actually harden and freeze, and the asphalt will freeze faster, so that when they hit it with that high pressure nail gun, it will crack the shingle. So the crazy thing is the roof may go down and look great, but within a year or two, when things start to warm up and those shingles begin to stretch, those cracks form and the shingles begin to tear loose and it starts to slide off your roof. So it's very crucial that you do not roof when it is below 40 degrees in temperature. We know this, we're careful of this, so give us a call, 1-800-977-6638. We'll never roof when it's too cold, but when it's above 40 degrees, we'll roof like you've never seen. See you soon.